Would you buy this shipping container home for 600,000 US dollars? This 960 square feet container home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms is exclusively built out of shipping containers. The containers are stacked in 2 levels with 2 shipping containers on the ground floor level, arranged side by side and sheared slightly horizontally to create a covered entrance porch with a 3rd container stacked on top, cruciform layout, creating adequate outdoor living space on both levels. This is a view of the entrance from the driveway with additional outdoor living space on the top floor level. This is a view of the cantilevered shipping container stacked at a cruciform on top of the 2 containers on the ground floor level, with wooden finishing underneath the container and on the docking end of the container to accommodate a big picture window to light up the indoor living space. A closer view of the cantilevered shipping container showing the materials as indicated. A closer view of the fire pit with the building in the background. This is a view of the main entrance door. It's a beautiful black framed glass door and given a timber finish around it, creating some warm, welcoming feel. Getting into the house, you find a beautiful living space with open plan living layout. This is a view of the kitchen area, the lounge, the dining, and a spiral staircase connecting to the top level of the house. This is a closer view of the lounge space. Worth appreciating is the high quality of workmanship. There's this fireplace and this feature wall around the fireplace, a flat screen TV mounted on the wall. There's a mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort. Another view of the lounge area with a beautiful view of the fireplace. We have the glass windows that provide adequate daylighting, creating a beautiful, well-lit indoor living space. Another view of the lounge area showing the beautiful seating, the main entrance door, and the kitchen in the background. A closer view of the fireplace. This is a view of the dining with the butcher block wooden top and live edge wooden timber used to give it a bit of character, embracing the industrial theme of this amazing shipping container house. Notice also the beautiful lighting above the dining table. This is a closer view of the kitchen, well appointed with a beautiful kitchen backsplash stretching all the way to the ceiling, open shelving for storage, the stainless steel kitchen appliances, and an intimate kitchen island that can sit 2, ideal for a breakfast counter or a study area when necessary. Also notice the beautiful task lighting above the kitchen island. Another view of the kitchen showing the sink space with the beautiful lighting above it, in addition to this adequately sized glazed window to enhance daylighting. The general view of the kitchen showing the dining and the lounge in the background. A closer view of the kitchen showing the kitchen appliances and the counter space. A closer view of the dining is a big space that can seat 6 depending on configuration, with a full height glass door that allows for indoor-outdoor interaction right away from the living room. This is a view of the outdoor space from the living space, directly accessed from the dining area. This is a view of the spiral staircase connecting to the top level of the house. We have a stacked washer and dryer, and this space is given this beautiful sliding pocket door. A view of the staircase. A closer view of the stacked washer and dryer. There's a beautiful view of the bathroom. I like the shower stall and the floor to ceiling tiling with that black and white theme, giving it a beautiful feel, and it stands out from the general layout of the bathroom. A closer view of the bathroom tiling. High quality finishes in the bathroom showing the wash and basin and the bathroom mirror. A view of the wash and basin with storage underneath. It's a view of the bedroom. Notice the good use of adequately sized windows. There's no need for artificial lighting during the day, and the space is painted white to create that feel of a big indoor living space. A view of the same bedroom showing the closet space for adequate storage. The space is also given additional storage, as you can see, with a big window for daylighting. This is a view of the top level of the house showing the landing from the staircase. You'll notice the beautiful lighting above the staircase shaft. There's a big picture window showing the outdoors, and there's a bathroom space with a bedroom on that side and on the other side. This is a view of one of the bedrooms. Look at the big size of the windows, creating a bay window effect, giving this space maximum daylighting. It has a mini split system to enhance indoor thermal comfort. The view of the foliage from this particular bed space is just amazing. Well appointed with high quality finishes throughout. The view of the landing from the staircase with the 2 bedrooms on either side. There's a glass window from this particular space to access the outdoor living space. It's a view of the bathroom, the glass shower cubicle, the toilet, and the wash and basin with the bathroom mirror and additional storage underneath the wash and basin. A closer view of the corner shower glass cubicle. A view of another bedroom. You'll notice this theme of creating a bay window effect, allowing the space to be drenched with maximum daylighting, creating that feel of a big indoor space, despite the fact that this is a single width bedroom space inside an 8 wide shipping container. A closer view of the bed space. You'll notice the white walls, white ceiling, and the big windows to create a feel of big indoor living space. That is a general view of the outdoor space of this amazing house. You'll notice this big glass window from the landing to access this outdoor terrace, which is a beautiful family living space, and it has been given additional accessories like lighting to enhance the space at night, and also the foliage from the trees provides natural shading in case there is harsh sun during summer. This is a view of the outdoor space. On the ground floor level, there's this bathtub, creating a spa-like feel when you want to unwind after a long day. A closer view of the bathtub under the cantilevered shipping container. A closer view of a spiral staircase on the outside to access directly the outdoor terrace on top of the two shipping containers on the ground floor level. It's a view of outdoor dining, the barbecue jiko right there at the rear of the house. A beautifully landscaped backyard garden. It's a bathtub under the cantilevered shipping container. We have this beautiful turf here and the paving with the cobblestone around it, just to enhance the backyard with beautiful landscaping. Then a closer view of the same. Nice golf hall. What else would you ask for? This is just a beautiful outdoor space in a minuscule scale, but given quality finishing, enhancing outdoor living. The general location of the house. It is just in an amazing greenery, and the forest around it is just so alluring. The access with a cul-de-sac, beautiful access showing the house hidden under the trees. You can see the same hidden under the trees. A closer view of the rooftop deck showing the sitting around, closer view of the sitting area, the fireplace, and some additional storage and open space for additional functions. The view of the same outdoor living space of this beautiful shipping container home that is listed for $600,000, and it has 960 square feet of habitable space with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on 2 levels. So what do you think about this shipping container home? Is there anything you would change or adjust given a chance? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we give you amazing shipping container projects every week from around the world. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.